So in last class, we have talked about dynamic design techniques and what are the dynamic design techniques and what is dynamic design techniques. All those things we covered, and let's go inside. Let's discuss more about dynamic design techniques. Okay. So on high level, we know it is having structured based, experience based, and specification based. Let's talk about one by one. The first one is specification based. Okay, it is also called as black box or behavior testing technique. So in the specification based technique, it is also known as black box testing. Yeah. So in black box testing, the tester is concentrating on what the software does, not how it implemented internally. Okay, so he doesn't require how the software is designed internally, how it works internally. He doesn't bother about that, and he doesn't need it. Okay, so in the black box testing, you just know what a software does and what he has to test it. And this black box testing is often is of two types. One is functional and non-functional testing, and this technique is appropriate at all levels of testing, and it has five specification based techniques. So what are those? Statement, decision, and condition, and multiple conditions. Everyone can be mute, please. Okay, so that's about black box. If somebody asks you what is black box or what is specification based, you have to tell the same thing. Okay, in fact, it is also known as behavioral testing technique. Okay, so in the black box testing, you doesn't require to know how a software works internally. Okay, how it is designed, how it works internally, how each module communicates with other modules. Okay, you doesn't require to bother about the internal structure of the system. So only thing is you should know how it works, how it works on the external way, and let's find out some test cases based on that. So that's about black box, and it is of two types. One is functional and non-functional testing, and we know how to derive test cases for functional as well as non-functional testing.